NIKON Z Series cameras let you quickly access frequently used options by assigning them to controls such as the sub-selector or lens control ring. To choose the roles played by the controls in photo mode, go to the Custom Settings menu and select F2, Custom Control Assignment. You can choose the roles performed by the FN1, FN2, and AF on buttons, the sub-selector, the center of the sub-selector, the movie record button, the lens FN button, and the lens control ring. Highlight a control and press OK. In this example, we'll select the lens control ring. The camera will list the options that can be assigned to the lens control ring. Choose the desired option. In this example, we'll select Exposure Compensation. Exposure compensation can now be adjusted using the lens control ring. Next, here's a setting we'd like to recommend. Assigning Select Center Focus Point to the center of the sub-selector. This lets you select the center focus point by pressing the center of the sub-selector. Custom Control Assignment lets you adapt the camera to suit your style.